Most fitness advice pushes extreme diets, miracle supplements, and routines so complicated you just quit. But sustainable health is much simpler. It comes down to 4 foundational science-backed pillars. First up, nutrition. Sustainable weight loss requires eating slightly fewer calories than you burn, while prioritizing protein and fiber. Allowing realistic, flexible meals prevents the burnout of crash diets. Second, strength. You force your body to build muscle by gradually lifting slightly more weight over time. That constant challenge is called progressive overload, and it works whether you use heavy plates or just home dumbbells. Third is daily movement. Walking isn't a magical weight loss cure on its own, but it burns calories, builds heart health, and manages stress without exhausting your nervous system. Finally, recovery. When you don't sleep, your body floods with hormones that spike your appetite and stall muscle repair. That biochemical sabotage will actively undermine a perfect diet and workout routine. A sustainable body isn't built through punishing 30-day shortcuts or extreme restrictions. It is built by simply stacking flexible eating, steady movement, and real rest into a daily routine you can actually keep.